Hey guys, today we're gonna make these easy keto tortillas with the queen of keto, Lily. And guess what? Every single tortilla that we're gonna make has less than 1 carb. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So let's get started. So we're gonna beat 2 large eggs with a fork. We don't need to take any heavy machinery out because this is a super simple recipe. We're also going to have the complete recipe in the info box below and all the utensils you are going to need. So next we're going to mix all the dry ingredients in a bowl, and we're also going to mix it with a fork. Like I said, no heavy machinery required. Now we add our coconut oil, and once again we use our trusty little fork to mix all the ingredients together. Now we add our eggs and we mix once again. For the grand finale, at least for the ingredients, we are going to mix in our boiling water. Just be very careful while mixing this. Once you're done mixing everything thoroughly, the dough should look something like this. It looks kind of sticky, but it doesn't stick to your hands. So now we're going to take it out of the bowl. We're going to give it a couple love squeezes. And you can see, look at how it's very pliable, very soft. And now it's ready to sit there for a little bit while we warm up our griddle. Now, to make sure that each tortilla has less than 1 carb, we have to make sure that the amount of dough we use per tortilla is 35 grams. Now that we have our dough sectioned out and weighed out, the fun part begins. So we take one piece and we knead it in our hand for a couple seconds, and then we place it in between the tortilla squeezer, in between 2 sheets of wax paper. Just squeeze it and make sure it's all even all around. Take it off of the wax paper and onto the griddle they go. Look how beautiful they look. Oh my gosh, they are delicious and they are so beautiful looking. And the best part is next, because now you can enjoy some awesome Mexican tacos. Oh my gosh, look at this. These are tongue tacos with onion and cilantro and some lime. Try these tortillas. Please let me know what you think because they are amazing. So please leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and any questions you have, feel free to ask me. Thank you. Bye.